Onto the field from Tattnall County High School, the Sound of Pride Marching Band.
Let's go, SOP!
The director for the Sound of Pride Marching Band is Dylan Lynch. Additional band staff for the Sound of Pride includes assistant directors Jeff Atkinson and Connor Foley. The color guard director is Jennifer Davenport. Officers for the Sound of Pride Marching Band includes drum majors Kylie Moore and Gabriel Cuevas, band captain Michaela Mincy, woodwind captain Chloe Nelson, brass captain Carly Clark, drumline captains Brendan Ward and Leighton Knight, front ensemble captain Durham Rogers, color guard captain Americus Arnold, flute section leader Marlon Arroyo, clarinet section leader Juliana Arroyo, alto sax section leader Alex Lugo. Sorry, I couldn't do it in one breath. Tenor and bari sax section leader Taylor Mutcherson, low brass section leader Joseph Banks, lieutenants Isaiah Mincy and Kendall Lanier, and head librarian Haley Baldwin. This year's production is entitled El Matador y la Rosa and includes Part 1 with clarinet solo Kylie Monroe, Part 2 with flute quartet featuring Chloe Nelson, Esmeralda Enriquez, Emily Ariano, and Kylie Dyer. And Part 3 with a trombone and baritone duet Michaela Mincy and Joseph Banks. There's also an alto sax solo, and I need the updated information. I got to dig through some paper. Alto sax soloist, I will recognize you at the end of this thing. I promise I'm not going to let you down as soon as I can find who you are. Drum major, is your band ready? Tattnall County High School Sound of Pride Marching Band. The field is yours.
Let's go, SOP! Let's go SOP! Let's go SOP! Let's go SOP!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Tattnall County High School Sound of Pride Marching Band.
Let's go SOP!
That alto saxophone duet in part 2 was Alex Lugo and Josephine Martinez. My apologies for missing that in the announcements on the way out.